Hi, my friends. Today we will visit the Netherlands to see greenhouse farms that can produce millions of cucumbers every year. These farms use modern techniques like vertical farming, soilless cultivation, and select the best cucumber varieties for bigger yields. In 2021 alone, the Netherlands produced 1.2 million tons of cucumbers, an impressive achievement for such a small country. From harvesting to sorting and packaging, every stage uses advanced machines and equipment. Let's begin with cucumber seedlings. The seeds are planted without soil in modern greenhouses. Small sticks are added to support the seedlings as they grow. After 2 weeks, the seedlings are ready to be transplanted into the main planting area. These greenhouses are so large that workers sometimes use bicycles to move around. Plants grow on biological fiber mats, often made from coconut, and water mixed with nutrients is pumped directly to the roots. A cucumber plant grows upward with the help of ropes attached to wires at the top of the greenhouse. To guide upward growth, farmers continuously twist and lower the plants along the ropes. Some growers use clipping techniques, especially in high-wire cultivation systems. Within 3 to 4 weeks, flowers bloom and cucumbers start forming. Each plant can produce dozens of fruits. LED lights help the plants grow better at night, making up to 4 harvests possible every year. Finally, harvest time. Cucumbers around 35 to 40 centimeters long are picked by hand using knives. Next, cucumbers go to sorting lines where robotic arms work, but humans still ensure quality control. At the end of the season, old plants are removed and preparations begin for the next crop. The greenhouse roof is cleaned to ensure maximum sunlight for the new plants. Worldwide cucumber production in 2020 was 91.3 million tons. China produced 79% of it. The Netherlands ranks 4th in Europe after Spain, Turkey, and Poland. I hope this video gave you valuable knowledge.